I'm Chance Shiflett, Field CTO at Rev, and I want to clear up a critical misconception about AI that's causing people to fear using tools that could be helping their practice. I've heard a lot of people say things like AI is AI. That might seem true, but it's not. There's a fundamental difference between tools that capture what was actually said versus tools that create new content. Let me break this down. There are two types of AI you need to understand. First is ASR, or automatic speech recognition. It takes existing speech and converts it to text. Like a stenographer or a person manually transcribing audio, it's documenting reality, it's not inventing it. ASR has been around for decades, refined through billions of words of real speech data. When you get a transcript from ASR, you're getting what was actually said. Second, generative AI like ChatGPT, this creates entirely new content based off patterns it learned from its training data. It's incredibly powerful, but in its current form, it can hallucinate facts, make up citations, even invent conversations that never actually happened. And here's why this matters for your practice. ASR outputs are factual records of what occurred. GenAI outputs are predictions, research, answers, and occasionally inventions created using patterns and training. It's important to understand how these technologies can work together. Platforms like Rev use both ASR and GenAI in a layered approach. So first, ASR converts audio into an accurate transcript. That's your foundational record for what was actually said. Then GenAI can be used as an optional tool on top of that transcript to create summaries, highlight key points, or answer questions about the content itself. The key difference is sequence and choice. ASR captures reality first, and GenAI analyzes that captured reality second, and only if you choose to use those features. So how do you know what you're getting? Well, ask vendors to walk you through their process step by step. Do they start with speech-to-text conversion? Does their AI pull direct citations from transcripts? Can you access the raw transcript before any AI analysis is done? Are there GenAI features clearly labeled and optional? At Rev, our foundation is ASR. 12 years of speech data, 96% accuracy from AI alone, 99% with human review. When we use GenAI for summaries or insights, it's always optional, clearly labeled, and tied back to the citations in the sections of the source transcript. You always have access to what was actually said before any AI interpretation. Know what type of AI you're using at each step and make sure that you're always double-checking anytime you're working with AI. Your client's trust depends on it. We explore more security and compliance topics, so check out the Rev Academy Security and Compliance series for more information. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Until next time.